Hi friends, it's KD Nade. Friends, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an 8D audio, that is 8D music in your phone itself. First, I will say what is 8D music or 8D audio. 8D music is nothing but if you are hearing through earphones, it will be best experience. The music will go from left ear to right ear and right ear to left ear, and it continuously shifts from left to right and right to left and so on. This is called 8D music. If you hear a 8D music through your headphones, it will give a better experience more than a normal music or normal audio. Let's see how to create a 8D music. For that, we have to install a app called WavePad Master Edition. Let's see how to install it. The version which is in Play Store does not allow you to make 8D music of free of cost, but in Chrome, the app which I download from Chrome can hear it 8D music without any cost. Go to Chrome and tap for WavePad Master Edition app. App gun is a legit website, so go through it. Yeah, I went through it. Now scroll down, see there download app. Tap it on download app. Now again scroll, see there will be a time running. After one, they will ask for download app file mod, that is modified. Tap on it. Sometimes a ad will come. You have to close that. Then the download will be started. Sometimes it will not come. If it's the first time for the website, it will show ad. Otherwise, it will not show ad. It asks this type of the file can harm your device. It will not at all harm. So okay. Yeah, it is done. Now I'm gonna open it. Install. I already have the app, so I cheated the phone. It thought I was updating the app. Now I'm giving open. See, there are four options: add, delete, export options. Now first we have to add the song which you want to convert into 8D music. So add, press add. You can record on your own voice or import from app, import with app, import from folder. You may touch import from audio. I'm gonna import what song? Gumbala Sutu. This was a song. It's a very famous song. If you want to see how famous this song, go to YouTube and search Gumbala Sutu. It's a very famous song. I'm gonna make this one as 8D music. Let's see how to make it. Friends, tap on the song. If you tap on the song, it says loading audio file source. Wait till it loads. After loading completed, it goes through and see the screen is divided into two. The upper part cannot be zoomed. The upper part is just for making the time or tapping which part of the song, that is which duration of the song you want to convert, and the down part can be zoomed. See here, the down one can be zoomed. It is the zooming function will help us to zoom particularly, that is convert a particular part of the song into 8D music. Let's start from first. The upper part is the header portion. That is, if you it cannot be zoomed. It's used to go to the first and last to anywhere. Just tap at the first. We want to go to the first. Now I go on the first. I zoom it. I zoom. See, I zoom now. Now for you can also zoom more. See here from 5 seconds only the song has been starting. Now let's go. See here the down portion is used to select the which part of the of the song must be converted into 8D music. Now I'm gonna start from here to some 5 to 10 seconds. Now go to effects and scroll right. You can see option stereo pan. Tap on it. Now the only the 5 seconds gonna be edited by us. Now tap on the select preset. There will be options slowly pan from left to right, from slowly pan from left to right till pan everything right. There will be 6 options. This is what makes the 8D music. Slowly pan from left to right makes the song slowly from left to right. That is, it moves the song from left ear, that is left headphone, to slowly to the right headphone. Next one from right to right, that is very slowly. Quickly means it goes at very speedily. That is in a matter of second it goes from left to right and right to left. Pan everything left makes the song play only at left, but then right there will be no sound. And pan everything right will make the song play only at the right headphone, that's the right ear, and in your left ear you can't hear anything. That is called AD music. Now I am gonna select slowly pan from left to right and apply. It has been applied. Now we're gonna go to 10 to 15 seconds stereo pan. I have again left to right. Now I'm gonna slowly pan from right to left and apply. Like that we can apply many settings, and the next 5 seconds I'm gonna give. Last time I gave slowly pan from right to left. Now I'm gonna give quickly pan from left to right. Friends, if you're creating a AD music, I'm gonna say a tip now. It's a very useful tip. See, now I have given left to right. Now the music will be hearing in only right and not for left. After that, you have to select right to left. Then only the AD music will be very wonderful when you are listening. Now give, that is in the last part where you end, that must be starting point of the next part of the song. I think you may understand. I'll clearly say again. See the previous part of the song, that is the 10 to 15 seconds part of the song, was from left to right. The song was went from left to right. Then the 15 to 20-second song must go from right to left. Then only it will be a better experience. If you choose all from left to right, then there will be a gap. The song will go from left to right. Again, without coming to right to left, it goes from left to right. So it will be not be that much perfect of 8D music. The clear tip is you have to start from the ending point of the previous part. If you ended left at the previous part, Start at left from the for the next part. Be careful while using it. After you applied the full song, you may come to edit option at the top, and you can save here by touching the file icon and save. The audio will be saved. This is how AD music is being created. Friends, thanks for watching. It's KD Nodi here. Have a good day, friends. Bye.